sounds like life to me. It ain't no fantasy. It's just a common case of everyday reality. Man, I know it's tough, but you gotta suck it up. To hear you talk, you're caught up in some tragedy. It sounds like life to me. Well, his face turned red and he shook his head. He said, you don't understand. 3 kids and a wife depend on me, and I'm just one man. To top it off, I just found out that Sarah's 2 months late. I said, hey bartender, set us up around. We need to celebrate. Sounds like life to me, plain old destiny. Yeah, the only thing for certain is uncertainty. You gotta hold on tight and just enjoy the ride. Get used to all this unpredictability. Sounds like life. Man, I know it's tough, but you gotta suck it up. To hear you talk, you're caught up in some tragedy.